Welcome to today's deep dive. We're jumping into the highly complex, almost invisible world of commercial audio and video infrastructure today. And to do this, we're using the massive product catalog of HDTVSupply as our map.
Yeah, there is just a massive amount of hardware to cover in there.
Right. So to start, let's look at this piece of tech called the DataVideo VoiceTRX-50 voice tracking control interface. Okay, let's unpack this. It's essentially like this invisible.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Yeah, it's like an automated robotic camera operator. It knows exactly who's speaking in a room without a human ever touching a lens.
It is, but capturing that automated video feed is really just step one, because once you have that perfectly framed shot, where does it actually go?
Right, because it's really just one camera pointing to a single TV in the back room anymore.
Exactly. That single interface connects to the need for these massive routing networks. And that brings us to the Wolfpack modular matrix switchers.
Oh yeah, these things are huge.
They are. What's fascinating here is the sheer jaw-dropping scale of these systems. We're talking about hardware that is capable of routing up to 160 inputs to 160 TVs.
A 160 by 160 grid?
Yeah, 160 by 160 grid, pushing uncompressed 4K and even 8K signals up to 450 feet away from the source.
Wait, hold on. Stringing together 160 TVs with standard HDMI cables sounds like an absolute nightmare.
Yeah.
Like, how does this not just collapse into a tangled mess?
Emma.
Anyone who's built a basic matrix knows how bad ED handshakes can fail.
Oh, well, you wouldn't use standard HDMI for that, right? That's
No.
exactly where specialized HD base and AV over LAN infrastructure comes in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, standard HDMI degrades quickly over distance. So by using AV over IP, they convert the video into digital data packets. They push it over dedicated CT6 local area network splitters.
So the network just treats that heavy 4K video exactly like it treats like an email.
Exactly. It ensures every byte arrives perfectly. That's how it goes 450 feet without losing a single pixel.
Okay, but why would anyone actually need 160 TVs linked together in a single system?
Well, think about the ultimate stress test for AV.
The mega sports bar.
Yep.
Yeah, if you look at the catalog, there's a massive section dedicated entirely to sports bar TV systems. These are equipped with the DirecTV app and, Everpass feeds.
Dozens of high-action games playing all at once.
And here's where it gets really interesting. It's like a visual symphony. You have a single bartender using a Wolfpad TV control tablet.
Just tapping away on a screen.
Right. And in one tap, they instantly change 40 TVs, or they merge them into one massive picture-in-picture video wall.
And doing that without lag requires incredibly robust video wall processors. We're talking setups ranging from 1x2 all the way up to 10x1 configurations.
Which is a huge amount of processing power.
It is. These multi-viewers mathematically sync the frame rates of those heavy data packets so that the stitched image is totally flawless. Zero lag.
But, switching 40 TVs at once isn't just about making sure a bar full of fans doesn't miss a touchdown. If you zoom out to the bigger ecosystem, the stakes are way higher.
Oh, absolutely. HDTVSupply has strategic partnerships with brands from AJA to Yamaha. But they also have dedicated government GSA and TAA-approved purchasing channels.
Like NASA's CWP program.
Exactly. These massive, secure Wolfpack infrastructures are routing data in mission-critical government facilities where instantaneous video is literally a matter of national security.
Wow. So for you, listening right now, I want to leave you with a final thought to mull over.
Let's hear it.
The next time you sit in a sprawling sports bar or walk through a high-tech government facility, look at the screens around you. You are no longer just looking at TVs.
No, definitely not.
You are looking at the endpoints of a massive invisible nervous system of Wolfpack matrices and voice tracking interfaces hiding right behind the drywall. And really makes you wonder, as this tech gets cheaper, how long until this invisible nervous system replaces the standard Wi-Fi router in our own homes? Something to think about.